All right, we're steaming through our HTML tags now, and we're going to move away from paragraph tags and look at lists in the next couple of videos. In this video, we'll look at unordered lists. So basically, a bullet point list is what we're trying to create here. And an unordered list we create with the UL tag. So the UL tag creates an unordered list, and then within our unordered list, I'm going to use tab to get it indented again. We have a list item. So I'm going to make a list of my family members. I'll start with me. So that's it. I've got an unordered list at the beginning. I'm closing the unordered list. And then when I want to add a new list item, I just do the same thing. And then we'll add Kirsten in. And then we want another list item. So we'll add Tommy. And finally, Ralphie. There we go. So let's have a look, see what that looks like. Beautiful. So we've got Rob, Kirsten, Tommy, and Ralphie. So that's how you create an unordered list in HTML. Let's have a very quick challenge for you. Can you apply different formatting to each of the 4 elements in your list? You can choose any bit of formatting that you like, but different formatting, bold, italic, etc., to each element in your list. Go for it. All right, hope you managed it. I'll do it something like this. So Rob can be strong. Kirsten can be emphasized. Tommy, very unfortunately, will be deleted. And Ralphie can be inserted. There we go. Let's have a look. There we go. So we can apply this formatting to anything. It doesn't have to be in a paragraph tag as we did in the previous video. Text can be anywhere on our page. Wonderful. So simple as that. That's how we create an unordered list. In the next video, we'll see how to do very similarly an ordered list.